In this short video, we will see how to create KML layer in QGIS. For that, go to Layer, Create Layer. We cannot directly create KML file from QGIS. We need to create a layer and then save it as KML. Let's create a new temporary scratch layer and polygon. Let's keep it EPSG 4326 and OK. Our scratch layer is here. Let's add a map. Suppose we want to make a shape here. Let's click this one and add polygon. We will make a quick draft shape. Now we will save our new scratch layer as KML file. For that, right click, export, save feature as. Let's show the location. Name it as test shape. Save it, but it is in geo package. We will change the format to KML, keyhole markup language KML. And if you want to change the CRS, you can change it here. Press OK and add layers. See, our test shape layer is here. We can turn this off. Here is our KML. Now if we delete all these, remove layer, okay, remove layer, discard, okay. Now we can add our layer. Let's click on layer, add layer, add vector layer and dataset. Show our KML file, test shape.kml. Open, add layers, close. See, our shape is shown here correctly. We can change the symbology so that it looks better. Thanks for watching.